that we've played with our blocks, now we're going to get to more of the drawings for the plans and explain some of that. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. I'd love to explain it further if you need. My wife and I, we left here for the weekend. We went over what we really needed. So we started just drawing stuff up, real simple. Like this one, we know that we want 2 bedrooms, all right, and only 1 bath. You know, it's not a full-timer, but it could be. So I wanted to have, here's a big bedroom, here's a small bedroom, washer dryer over here, kitchen off that, and then a bathroom separating the 2. I don't have closets. I have a closet here. Maybe there's a closet there. While we like the big open space, this didn't feel right, but we've got our good rectangle there. Here's another rectangle where the kitchen is over here, the bathroom is separating it, but there's kind of a hall, of which I don't like halls. This one we modified it just a little bit. Bedroom over here, but it's almost like you have to walk into this bedroom, and I hate this dead space. So we ditched that. Here's another one, 2 bedrooms, back to back. Here, we're getting a little bit closer, but we thought it was a little small. There's a 2 bedroom, and the bathroom has the washer and dryer in it, so it's a utility room also. And then we just have a corner, L-shaped, and we didn't really like that. It really didn't address what we wanted. So then we've got the same thing again. We've got 2 bedrooms, a bath in between. Starting to like this. So we've got a closet here and a closet there. Very small hallway to separate the main living room and the kitchen. Just the great room, but it was very small. So now here we have a porch taking up a very large part of the rectangle. We've got the bedroom separated again for privacy, and then we've got the 1 bathroom at the end of the hall, except for you have to pass through the kitchen, and the utility room is a little bunchy there. Didn't like it. And here we go again. We've got more. So here's what we started coming up with. Now, I like working off the golden ratio. The golden ratio being the sum of 2 equal the third. I want a large living room, and then I want a dining room, but also a back porch. So this is going to be exterior stuff. So this is your public space, and we've got that covered. Now then you want your kitchen and a utility room also for a washer and dryer. And let's get a kitchen in here, refrigerator, and that way the door's not in the way of anybody. And a eat-in island, and then let's put a sink up against here, put a window. Got a front door, it's going to swing, and you got a back door, and that'll swing this way. Now you're going to your private space. These are the bedrooms and the bathroom. So I do like separating the 2 bedrooms by a bathroom. Now let's go for a very simple, like this is a part-time house. Put a toilet, put a vanity, sink, put the door. Now we've got something going on here. And we've got a closet here. And let's put another closet for that. But so now that'll swing that way, that'll swing that way. And we've got 2 bedrooms. But I've also got something else I have to contend with. Now, I want to contend with, we also have winds to contend with. The prevailing wind from the south. And also, so this is north. And there's also views, mountains to the north. There's also mountains to the south. We are in the Rocky Mountains. I want to take as much view as possible. You're here to relax and enjoy yourself. So I'm going to change things up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now swing this around, go public space. Okay, the great room. So then that will have a porch and a dining room. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify this rectangle because I don't like the front door getting in the way of the kitchen. So we're going to back this kitchen off and move this whole thing down. And now we have an island, a kitchen, and a utility room. And now we're going to move this private space, we're going to move it down because I want a huge window here because of the view. Now we've got other cabins out here, and I'm realistic. They're going to be there, you're going to see them, but if we can eliminate some of them. Now there is a beautiful house over here, and there's also beautiful views over here, and I want to take advantage of that. I want to move this so that when you're standing at this window, you're seeing the aspens up on this mountain. But I'm going to eliminate some of the houses that you're going to see and just be more one with nature. So now we have a way to get into this little hallway, and we're going to have the bathroom and the vanity, toilet, door going through there, and door going into this. This is a closet. This will be a closet, and door going into this room. So now we have the 2 bedrooms, the bath, separated. We've got closets in between, and then we walk right from that into the dining room, big room. And I'll tell you why I'm separating that. Because I plan on being able to build this all by myself. So this will be essentially part of the great room, just part off of it. And then we'll have the front door because of that prevailing wind from the south. I don't want a front door where the wind's just going to blow through, so we're going to put that there. Back door, we have that. And we have the back porch, which is protected from that prevailing wind. And also in the summertime, great to sit out there in the shade and be out of the sun. So that turned into this drawing right here. So that drawing right there is what I made, and that's where we ran off of all these plans. So that was my wife and I putting our heads together, and we also want to have a porch. That's what we came up with. I cleaned it up just a little bit and came up with this where it has the porch, and it's more defined. I went through some of the measurements, and we also want to add a garage off of the house. So a detached garage, and that came into this where I put it on SketchUp and drew this up for the plans. Now this you can see is my electrical plan for some of the lighting and outlets. And that turned into this as working blueprints. So these plans are how we built the walls and all the components for the build. So that's how we came up with our plan. We're going to run with it. So now go build it better. Go ahead and click on that subscribe, like, and share, and that little bell, and that little bell, and that little bell. It'll keep you up to date with the series and the latest videos of Go Build It.